Welcome back to the Dry Fire Journal. This is day 387, and I'm a guest in one of my best friend's home. I'm out of town teaching the Red Hawk Concealed Carry Experience this weekend, and I have the operator completely clear with nothing in the magazine well and nothing in the chamber. So, yesterday we talked about the concept of slamming it home, touching the trigger guard with a fingernail and slamming it home to test our ability to grip. So now we're going to slam it home again, this time with a dead trigger. I find that dead trigger training is really valuable because I can put my safety on and have a completely dead trigger with some slack. And if you do this with your striker fire gun and a dead trigger or whatever you've got, I think a dead trigger is a phenomenal way to test some skills. So I am going to do the same drill today, just as yesterday, only instead of a live trigger needing to rack a slide, I'm doing it with a dead trigger. So if you have a striker fire, clear your gun multiple ways, put in your barrel block and press the trigger so that's now dead. I'm going to put my, actually, you know what? I'll keep my safety off and I'll just have the same thing that you probably have. So now I build the grip that I want to have. And now instead of a one-shot press, now we can run strings like 6 or 8 or 10 and see what happens. So let's start with 6. Build the grip I want and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to try it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm starting to see motion by the time I get to 4, and then it just pronounces itself on 5 and 6. Let's try 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm seeing a lot more motion, and now 10. Whew. This is a wonderful way to figure out how to continue to grip the gun all the way through a successive string of shots. I'm going to try it again. I'm finding that the longer I go, the more my shooting hand wants to do things it doesn't need to do. I'm wanting my support hand to do more work. So let's try that. It's better. I'm going to try it one more time. I stopped looking because my hands got so tired. This is exhausting. Let me try it again. That was 20. Now, gun's still clear. Prep your trigger by running your slide and try an actual trigger press. It feels like butter. It's kind of like overload training. It's kind of like when a major league hitter in their on-deck circle puts a weight on the bat or picks up a weighted bat before they take their normally weighted bat to the plate. It's like doing drawing work from the holster with a weighted magazine. It's overload work by doing like 10, 15, 20 presses and then going back and building the exact same grip and using your better trigger press. And I'll give one over here so you can see the sight. This is really fun, really informative. I hope you try it. Let me know how it goes. I'll see you tomorrow.